Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Polygon here, and as we can see, as we said in yesterday's video, if we did start to clear this area here, this previous key level of support which was flipped into resistance, well actually it hasn't even been retested as resistance, has it? But you can see obviously under the 618 there, we've got a few little key bits of support, which were obviously, if we draw our Fibonacci from here to here, you can see they were actually in the end key levels of support. But you can see very clearly here, we've been working the fibs for a long time for Polygon after this huge decline that we did have, basically from around December to June. In around 6 months, we dropped from all the way up at $3 down to around 30 cents, essentially a 90% decline, didn't we? But we had a very nice recovery heading up through the Fibonacci, as I said in the previous videos. For a long time now, we have been essentially ranging between the 038 and the 050 here. You can see very clearly just going sideways. We've got the false breakout. With the FTX collapse, we came back inside the range, and then as you can see here, we've got the breakout, back test, consolidate, and then continuation up to the nice 618 here. We've got a little bit of a breakout, and then almost like we were going to roll back inside. But then obviously with Bitcoin having a very nice rally over the past few days, past few weeks especially, you know, ever since the new year really, we've had a fairly parabolic move, haven't we? Looking a bit like a hockey stick right now, and you can see quite clearly now for Polygon, now that we've cleared this previous level of support here, we've actually come up to it and just completely cleaned right through it, haven't we? There was some resistance a few days ago, but you can see now, as we said in our previous video, if we do clear that level, we're probably going to be a straight shot all the way up towards that 078 Fibonacci level, which is where we're heading right now, isn't it? Up at that 138, that 183, sorry, dollar level. As you can see very clearly, we are just kind of, you know, breaking out some key resistances right now, aren't we? And you know, you could say Polygon looking very bullish at the minute, to be honest. We broke out of its bear market resistance ages ago here, didn't we? You can see the breakout, the back test, and then you can see sideways, and now starting to make higher highs again. Very interesting. A little bit of volume coming back into the markets as well. Always good to see. And you can see on the macro, you could say potentially here making, you know, higher high, higher low, and then if we come up and make another higher high, higher low, and it's going to look good for heading towards the all-time high, isn't it? To be honest. That's what we're seeing on the charts and on the daily time frame on the macro as well. You can see here no actual signs of a bearish divergence either. We were forming some bearish divergences for other cryptos, but Polygon looks like it's just heading up very strong. And to be honest, it's been strong for basically the whole of the bear market, really, hasn't it? I mean, we did this, you know, a very steep rollover here, but a huge recovery that a lot of cryptos didn't really see. Obviously, the bullish divergence off the low back into this area of support. Really, we just made a lot of good structure, didn't we? Followed by now looking like we are finally getting that nice move to the upside. We tried to have it before, didn't we? But then obviously because of the FTX collapse, we dragged the market back down again. A bit more consolidation for a few months, and then it looks like now we're finally starting to see Polygon heading back towards those all-time highs. So our next target, really, if we're heading to the downside, we will be coming back down, in my opinion. You can see we're just working the Fibonacci right now. I wouldn't be surprised at all if we did have a rollover in the market to come back down to that 618, retest this and this as support, and then get a bounce. That would be lovely to see, and I do have a long position ready there, as you can see on the chart. And then if we do head up to this level at the 078, this is probably going to be a big area of resistance. I'd probably be looking to put a short in this area if that's the case. So that is my analysis for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. As always, please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.